Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the future of speed, design, and luxury with a deep look at the 2026 Lamborghini, an automotive masterpiece that redefines what it means to drive a supercar. From its aggressive new exterior to its cutting-edge performance and futuristic interior, the 2026 Lamborghini isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution on wheels. Let's start with what you first see when this beast rolls up, the exterior. The 2026 Lamborghini takes sharpness to the next level. Every line is sculpted for aerodynamics, but also for intimidation. The front fascia is more angular than ever before, featuring ultra-slim LED matrix headlights that give it a predator-like stare. The signature Y-shaped light signature has been modernized, and the new carbon fiber elements around the front splitter make it look like it belongs more on a spaceship than on the street. Along the sides, active aerodynamic flaps have been integrated seamlessly, helping reduce drag at high speeds while making a bold design statement. The rear end is even more dramatic, with an exposed exhaust system, a massive active spoiler, and a new diffuser setup that looks like it came straight from a Le Mans prototype. And let's not forget those stunning, forged wheels that come in several finishes, wrapped in ultra-low profile performance tires. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, the 2026 Lamborghini offers two powertrain options depending on the trim. The first is a hybrid V10 that produces a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower, combining raw combustion power with instant electric torque. The second, more extreme variant features a plug-in hybrid V12 pushing nearly 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Lamborghinis ever made. 0 to 60, just 2.4 seconds. And thanks to the advanced all-wheel drive system and Lamborghini's new predictive traction control, the car sticks to the road like glue, even when you're pushing it to the edge. Top speed, a heart-stopping 217 miles per hour. But what's truly impressive is how the 2026 model handles. With rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and a new suspension calibration, it's not just fast in a straight line. It's razor-sharp in corners, feeling more like a Formula One car than a street-legal machine. Slide into the cabin, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends Italian luxury with high-tech aggression. The seats are slimmer yet more supportive, wrapped in Alcantara and premium leather with custom contrast stitching. The steering wheel now comes with customizable screens that show track data, G-forces, or even night vision. In the center, you'll find a floating OLED touchscreen that controls everything from drive modes to climate to the redesigned premium audio system. But the most futuristic touch is the new holographic assistant. Yes, a 3D hologram that appears on the dash and acts as your digital co-pilot. You can ask it for directions, performance stats, or even control interior lighting with just your voice. Everything feels driver-focused yet surprisingly comfortable for a supercar. Now, let's talk price. As expected, Lamborghini is keeping it exclusive. The base model of the 2026 Lamborghini is expected to start around $340,000. The high-performance V12 plug-in hybrid variant, that's looking closer to $450,000, and that's before customization. With Lamborghini's ad personam program, buyers can personalize everything, from paint to stitching to custom badging, so the sky really is the limit, both in design and in price. So, is the 2026 Lamborghini worth it? If you're looking for a car that turns heads, shatters records, and makes no compromises, then absolutely. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a piece of moving art, and a symbol of where the future of performance is heading. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you go for the V10 hybrid or the V12 plug-in monster? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.